Alright, today we got another Ducati lost key replacement we're going to do. This is for a 2012 Ducati 848 Evo. So basically customer sent the ignition lock, customer sent the dashboard. So we'll go ahead and make the key from scratch and do the special programming. We'll come back in a little bit with the keys cut and programming done. Alright, this puppy's done. Basically, we made the key from scratch. We figured out what the existing cuts are. We don't make no changes to the lock. We don't change the cuts. We basically recreate the key that the ignition used to use before. So, if nothing's been changed on the bike, this key will work all the rest of the locks. It'll be just like the key you lost. So basically, here you go. On, off, steering bolt lock. See the steering bolt lock there. Pulls back. That's how you know you got the perfect key. Some people will be able to make your key to go on and off, but that ain't going to be correct because it won't have all the cuts it needs for the gas cap, seat lock, and that's about it. Let's read the chip. Boom. Chips confirmed. When I first start with these chips are blank, so they have no type, no value, no coding on it. Once it's programmed, how I know it's programmed, because it puts the right type on there, the ID type. It puts the values on there that it needs for the bike to start. So it does the coding. That's it. At this point, it's just plug and play. So you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what it's going to cost, what to send me, how long it's going to take. And that's about it. If you want, you could beforehand, you can call your local dealerships, see what they're charging. 90% of the time, we are cheaper than the dealers. So you may want to do your homework first. So when you call us, you don't think we're too expensive. And that's about it. Just give me a call or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com, and I can tell you how I can help you. Thanks.